First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we had some severe weather here yesterday. It wasn't all that big of an event for our part of the country. We did have some nasty looking clouds for a time, some rotating thunderstorms, maybe one unconfirmed tornado over in Christian County. The Weather Service will be looking at some damage over there a little bit north of Hopkinsville today. We had some hail reports, but other than that, it was just a lot of heavy rain, some gusty winds for a while, and then it was over. This morning, we're finding just leftovers of that system passing through and the cooler air that we have been talking about coming. Well, it's here. 49 degrees currently with some leftover light rain showers, some sprinkles here and there as you head off to work this morning. In fact, as we look at some measurable rainfall, even since midnight last night, nothing here, but out east of us, almost 9/10 of an inch of rain in Taylor County up in Campbellsville, 300s in Hodgenville, 500s in E-Town, a half inch even there in Adair County at the Columbia Mesonet site, 400s in Edmonton, 3500s Burkesville. Albany, you picked up 1700s of an inch of rain just since midnight. And here's the cooler air arriving behind our cold front. Temperatures just in the upper 40s this morning, and then you head east, it's low 50s. So it is going to be a much cooler air mass that settles in here for the next few days. This is not going to be a short-lived system. This is actually going to sit around for 3 or 4 days before things start to warm up. And these are the dew points. Yesterday, with all the moisture, you could feel it. It was very, almost like wearable weather. It was so thick and humid. We had dew point readings in the upper 60s to near 70. Look at the numbers now. In just the 40s and low 50s. That means a much drier air mass is starting to take over. And you'll be able to feel that later today for sure. And as you head out this morning, looking live down Scottsville Road in front of the Independence Bank in the Bowling Green Airport area, we've got that cloudy start. We may see a little bit of broken sunshine from time to time through the clouds today, but otherwise it will stay mostly cloudy. Right now the temperature at 49, west-northwest wind at 12, a little breezy at times, and a rising barometer. As we check our weather cams, courtesy of the AAA Systems Network, 48. In Russellville, under a mainly cloudy sky over in Logan County. In Litchfield, you still have raindrops there on your camera lens, so you still may be seeing some light rain passing through there. 48 degrees is your temperature. Air quality, well, much improved thanks to the rainfall, especially the pollen count. It's down into the low category. Still some tree and grass pollen there. Ozone is low, so are the molds. UV index, we'll put it in the moderate range today, even though we're not expecting much in the way of sunshine for today. Barron River Lake, that's our hometown forecast today. 62 for Bowling Green. Glasgow 61, much cooler 62 for Scottsville, 63 for Franklin. The Powerball jackpot for Saturday night. Today is it Thursday, Saturday. Okay, I had to get my days straight. Estimated to be at $100 million. The next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $136 million. Well, there's a 12-hour radar. You can see how pretty wound up that system is. Several lines of showers. These are the more heavier, stronger thunderstorms now moving into the Virginias and the Carolinas. Here's that last little batch that came through late last night, early this morning, just to the east of us. But notice we've got wraparound bands of moisture that will come back through the area today, tonight, and again tomorrow. And as you can see here, cloud cover, low clouds over the area. We don't see any clearing until you head way back to the west of us. So it's going to take a while before we see sunshine coming back. 50 degrees behind the cold front, much cooler 40s to the west. Right now, we're 13 degrees colder than we were yesterday at this hour. So there goes that slow-moving front. Nasty thunderstorms out east of us. We get a little break, a passing shower or two today, and then another weak disturbance passes through for tomorrow and brings us yet another chance of some light rain. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot out of that system, but it reinforces the cooler air, which is going to stay with us, as I mentioned, for a couple of days. Cloudy, cooler today, chance of a shower, 62. Then down to a cloudy, chilly 44 tonight with a passing shower chance. Tomorrow, we only make it up to 63. Same thing, different day, mostly cloudy, a chance of a shower. A little bit more sunshine Saturday, an isolated shower chance 66. Then we finally warm back into the 70s. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, maybe back into the low 80s or mid 80s by Wednesday of next week. So it's going to be a while before we actually warm up.